Hi, I'm Jake, and this is going to save your fingers. So I'm sure you've all noticed that as you're pushing your timber through any kind of cast iron top, be it a cabinet saw, be it a joiner or planer, over time it will start to stick and drag. So the reason that is because over time material will build up there, be it wax, be it timber and dirt. What you want to do is try and clean that off and make sure it stops your timber from sticking. Because if your timber sticks, there's a good chance your fingers are going straight into your cutters. We can't have that. So that's where this comes in. So the idea is just something that's on hand that you've got around the workshop that you can apply just to get you back and going. We've got, beeswax sticks. You could probably grab a tea tree candle or any other alternative to, any kind of wax-based stick. This is how it's done. And that's it. I'm Jake, thanks for watching, and we'll now return you to your regularly scheduled program.